Hey there, zookeepers. Here's how to easily remove barriers in Planet Zoo. If you've been removing barriers manually, deleting each segment one by one just to get rid of the entire barrier, there's actually a much quicker way to do it. To quickly remove an entire barrier, first click on the barrier. In the small panel that appears on the right side of your screen, select Edit Barrier. Alternatively, you can simply double-click on any part of the barrier to enter Barrier Edit Mode. Once you're in Edit Mode, you'll see a ring icon with a small circle inside it. Click on this icon to select the entire barrier. Now, instead of deleting each segment individually, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will instantly remove the entire barrier. You can repeat the same process for any other barriers you want to remove. Of course, if you only want to remove specific sections, you can still select and delete the individual segments normally. This method can save you a lot of time. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.